month of mercy you are. Welcome Ramadan.
Hey Daze! Ramadan Mubarak! We are doing something exciting today, guys. We decided to come up with this idea for the month of Ramadan to give back to the community and to give back to our fans. What is it called, Hajia?
Hamdi's Ramadan Relief.
Alright, so we came up with this idea. We decided that we're going to be giving random fans, random people, we're going to be giving them some sweets for the month of Ramadan. So we're going to do it every week. Alright, and we already picked someone that we're going to be giving today, and we're going to go surprise him. We're here, and this is funny because this is actually my old neighborhood. And there's this sweet little guy. I just love him so much. I wish he was like my child. He's like my child, actually. I love him so much. He's so respectful. He's so serious. He's studious. He doesn't fool around like, other kids his age. I just love him. So we decided that we're going to surprise him today. All right. So we have some cupcakes for him, and I'm going to show you guys. All right, Hajia, care to show us the cupcakes? All right. So these are the cupcakes that we're going to be delivering. All right. He got 4 different cupcakes, and it actually has. Don't open it. Don't open it. It's okay. They can see through the window. It has his name on it. Who is it? The Hero. The Hero. All right. So we're going to go deliver to him. We're going to surprise him. All right. Are you ready? Let's go. This is our old neighborhood. Oh my goodness.
I remember the park and everything, and the big tree right there.
It's such a tight-knit neighborhood. I love. Is that him over there? All right, let's go. I hope he's home. I feel like he's probably out there at the park. Assalamu alaikum. Is the Hero home?
Yeah?
The Hero.
Yes.
Is he home?
Yes.
Hey!
What's up? Yeah.
We have a surprise for the Hero. Oh my God. Bubakar.
Ahiru.
Oh, he's at the park?
Yeah.
Hold on. Hey, the Hero. Hi, we have a surprise for you.
Congratulations, you are the recipient of Hamdi's Ramadan.
Give it to him.
Yep.
Thank you.
Hey,
Thank
the Hero,
you.
it's all for you. Don't share with anybody. Don't give Hudu. Don't give your Bubakar, right?
Bubakar, yes.
Bubakar. Don't give Bubakar. Nobody. All for you, the Hero.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much for supporting me. All right. Our next stop is Hawa.
Ooh, congratulations.
Congratulations, Hawa. Guess what? You are the recipient of Hamdi's
Ramadan
Relief. All right. Congratulations. All yours. Don't share with anybody. All yours. No.
Congratulations, you got
You are the recipient of Hamdi's Ramadan Relief.
Thank you so
You're welcome.
much.
She shifted it a little bit. That's for your
Ooh, there's some
sister.
Oreos on it too.
That's for your sister. It's not your turn today. Assalamu alaikum.
Ramadan, oh Ramadan, month of mercy you are. Welcome Ramadan.